the flower and the people next door down over there have.
Doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, hi guys. This is a little odd, but I am extremely bored. So bored. It is Saturday. It is raining out, and there's nothing to do today. So I'm making a vlog about my boredom and wondering what everybody does when they're bored. So what are 5 things you can do when you're extremely bored and you can't go outside? Let's get into the video. Starting out a vlog saying, you know, my gosh, I can't do anything because this guy is like going crazy over top of us. His 200-pound dog is jumping around. And it sounds like a circus coming through the roof. And we've been listening to it since last night, about 11 o'clock at least. And we're all sitting there miserable because we can't go anywhere because it's raining outside. And he's up there just going about his business, not even worried about who he's disturbing downstairs. If we had company over at our house sitting here and we were watching a show or something, it's guaranteed 100% I know that they would be like, wow, what's going on up there? And it would disturb anybody that was down here. It would come to the point where somebody would say something about it. So I don't think it's just me or just us.
It would also be guaranteed we're going to tell them you can't be loud,
right,
and disturb the people downstairs.
Right.
That's just common courtesy.
Right. That's what I think.
You know, and if we're going to have a full-blown party, you have the courtesy to go
say
tell
something
them,
to him.
go
Right.
tell them above us,
Right.
and go tell him, look, we're having a gathering.
Right.
It could be a little bit loud,
Let
and
us know.
conflict.
It's a conflict. We're conflicted right now, so we're gonna go up and say something to him right now, and you guys are gonna go. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's resolve our conflict.
It's either going to resolve or make it worse.
Yeah, and that's the struggle.
There's only 2 ways.
That's the struggle right there. Does it make it worse or does it make it better? That's where people struggle, and that's what he's talking about. So we're gonna go let the neighbor know upstairs. Now he's quiet. Yep. I'm not gonna put him on camera. So we're walking upstairs and we're gonna resolve a conflict. This is how you resolve a conflict. Hopefully it goes well.
So pardon me, I was down and out and nothing seemed to come out.
Up a little bit.
You
Yeah, not bad.
So come and see, no matter what I do, head first into this hurricane. Yes, I know, head high, let it go. But it hits me like the pouring.
I'm gonna check it off.
Can't seem to fight this feeling.
Hi there. Sorry to bother
No
you.
matter what you
I'm
call
Mary.
it.
I had to tell you because I know you're not probably aware of it, but it was super.
That I got it back. Can't stop it if I want it. No matter what you call it. I only know that I got it Was all alone on a one-way track, nothing ahead and there was no way back. So I tried, yes I tried. You can go run and hide when your wall begins to crack. It's pretty clear when we're standing here. So what am I supposed to do? Please, baby, please let go. Have no fear, 'cause I'm head over heels for you.
They're great apartments. Everybody here is great. I wish they would have made them sounder. Welcome to the neighborhood. Don't worry about it. Alright, it's Nick, right? Okay, alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. He's super nice. Super nice guy. Yeah, he's moving. Yeah, just say, hey, we weren't saying don't move, because that's not what we mean.
I mean, what do? You say something or you don't. I mean, conflict over.
Yeah. So we did it. We said something and like nice, but we had to say something because I can hear him up there. I can hear him again. He was a nice guy. He was a super nice guy. Started it over.
Okay.
So we're back and we just solved the conflict that we were having.
Yes, from
The neighbor.
that way.
Upstairs.
Yeah, not this way.
Right.
That way.
So stop. Get it
I'm
right.
doing special effects.
No,
But
you're
anyway.
not. So we're back
We're back.
from upstairs.
Very tired.
It was a long trip. This is fun.
Yeah.
You guys have no idea why we're laughing, but we do.
This was very
And that's
stressful
okay.
because here's the thing. You don't know how someone's going to react.
Right.
They don't know you. You don't know them.
Right. Good point.
We don't know. We didn't know how it could have went only two ways. Could have went very bad or could have went very good. Okay. If it had gone the other way and he got upset because we were telling him that, then because it didn't, now it's not. It's not an issue at all, and it went really well.
Yep. So thanks for watching. It was just a quick little video we did. We've been bored, stuck in the house. You saw that in the very beginning of the video. I didn't know what to do, so I was like, let's solve a conflict.
Been yucky
That's
out
what we
there.
did. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the live tomorrow or today whenever we get this video up.
Right.
And yeah, subscribe if you like this video, and we will have more family vlogs coming out weekly. See you later.
place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty faces and sand on the ground. I wanna stop this ongoing train before I lose my mind and go insane. I don't wanna sleep every night. I wanna light a spark in the dark. I don't wanna say I'm okay, living the same every day. Come run beside me, let's take off. Let's leave this place for another place.